Hi, I'm Sunggi Kim from Gwangju Science Academy for the Gift. I would like to introduce a convergent teaching method on the subject of combining mathematical thinking and coding into chemistry domain. Now I start the presentation. Okay? The structure of carbon compounds in chemistry is a difficult domain for students. It is not easy for students to thinking of various structure because there are many possible structure in one formula. In the 2009 revised curriculum, the structure of carbon compound was covered in the beautiful molecular world unit. However, judging multiple structure isomer was difficult at the student level, so it was excluded from the 2015 revised curriculum. Most of the areas exclusive when the curriculum is revised are attributable to the student cognitive level. However, it is not checked whether the area is actually provided in textbook that students can understand. This study devised a way for students to thinking of convergent thinking beyond the method covered in the existing textbook about the structure of carbon compounds that students found difficult. Since students have to think about all possible structure of carbon compounds, it is necessary to think about the number of cases that fall into the mathematics domain. In addition, it is necessary to have the ability to judge whether the conditions specified in each case are met. As such, mathematical thinking and conditions are necessary only in the chemistry field. The determination of whether the condition is met is mechanical, so we can algorithmize it with tools such as coding. Therefore, this study developed computer programs to which the above two methods are applied by utilizing the Python program. The development of this program not only emphasizes chemical knowledge in the chemistry domain, but also promotes convergent thinking. It is expected that this will solve the difficulty of student learning that the existing chemistry textbook could not solve. It is necessary to extract the necessary algorithm before developing the program. If a carbon compound called CH.X is given, the method to search for possible structure is shown in this, like this. First, carbon number from the left. C1, C2, C3. And consider the case of allocating C where X1 can be located. X1 C1, X2, X1 C2, X1 C3. There are three cases. And if we reconsider the case where X2 can be located, X2, 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 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. The total of 9 cases will appear. However, since there are cases in which is overlap, C is numbered from the right, C1, C2, C3, to direct the same case. This, same. For example, so among the 9 cases, the final case is 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 possible structures of C3H6X2. The program for this study was developed using Python. This shows the key thinking process and corresponds coding. First, the placement of X is count of all possible cases. The second, the duplication is coded to eliminate the duplication structure in every possible number of cases. This shows the program execution screen. In fact, it shows 4 possible structures through the program, and you can check the structure by pressing each number. For example, I entered the C3H6X2. Then there are 4 possible structures. 1, 2, 3, 4. First case is 2x in C1. Second case is x C1 and C2. Third case 2x are in C1, C3. And last case is 2x are in C2. And I enter the number, then show the structure. Like first case, second case, third case, and last case. This is actually execution screen. I enter the C3H5X3 and enter. There are 5 possible structure, and I enter 2 number. The structure screen show like this, and I want 1 structure, so like this show that. In this way, the activity of exploring the structure of the carbon compounds simply requires a convergent activity away from education using existing paper and pen. Therefore, through this activity, students can explore the structure of carbon compounds more convergently, thereby overcoming the existing education and learning the carbon structure. As such, convergent teaching strategy that go beyond the traditional method are required in various fields. I will finish the presentation. Thank you for your attention. Thank you very much.